Hey, it's Brian here with Swan Marketing. How you doing today? Swan Marketing, we're doing the coach launch, and actually we're doing a unlimited leads challenge where you can get 50 leads per day, and by the end of a month you'd have over 1,500 leads to work with. How would you like that? So if you do the pipeline like we show you, and we use Pepper. Pepper is great. It works well. A lot of 6 and 7 figure income earners use it to build their business. Whether you're a coach, a SaaS business, a gym owner, a gym coach, all kinds of things. All kinds of business owners use it. Anyways, so we're doing a unlimited leads challenge. If you want to be a part of it, let me know. You can do the 14-day trial. Try out Pepper if you want. You can also watch the demo. It is an hour and a half long, so you just gotta kind of watch it. That's my buddy Franco right there, so you can check him out. And actually, here's the organic marketing webinar that Franco did just a few weeks ago. You can watch it. It works well. So we have a CRM that keeps track of your prospects, whether they're just a lead, they're hot, they're cold, whatever. And then we show you how to book more calls, how to get more deals, more clients, and go from there. So this is great for coaches and consultants, gym owners, speakers and authors, sales professionals, freelancers, digital product owners, and a whole bunch more. We have realtors, landscapers, landlords, dentists, hair salons, anyone that you can use, that you can serve your product, your offer on, your service. It's great for that. So here's the 14-day trial. If you want to do it, I'll leave a link below. But we're doing the unlimited leads challenge, and we're using Pepper to do it. Hey, if you want to learn more, click the link below or just comment below. Thanks. Have a good day.